guys, welcome back to Hardcloud. Today we're taking a look at some new kind of autumn layers from Element, some coats, some hoodies, some kind of fleece lined things. So a bit of variety here, lots of different styles, but all really nice pieces that we think you'll love for the winter months. So starting off, we're going to start with the Sign hood, which has got that classic kind of skate design with a small print on the chest and a larger print on the back that's repeated. And it's got this soft self-lined hood and adjustable drawstrings, obviously as you would come to expect. And a nice little pouch pocket on the front, and finished off with a woven label down there on the hem. And the print's really nice on this, it's just Element made to endure. So really it's an instant classic and sure to be super popular and a great basic piece just to add to your wardrobe. And then moving on from there, if you like a kind of thicker layer, or maybe you're just more into zip-ups, we've got the Bolton Sherpa hoodie, which is really thick and really soft. And it's, as you can tell, it's got this really nice Sherpa lining throughout the body, and just a taffeta lining on the sleeves, which keeps them nice and cool. And again, that Sherpa lining throughout the hood means you're just going to keep super warm in the winter, with this nice heather grey kind of colourway, and a contrasting white Element tree logo embroidered on the chest there, alongside a contrasting white zipper, which makes this a really sleek design, really nice. This is one of their kind of classic designs that comes back every year, but this year they've just mixed it up with some Sherpa lining, which is again definitely perfect for these colder months, as we're getting into kind of colder and rainier days. So yeah, another great piece. And Element timber's always popular. They've been collabing for a couple of years now, and this year is no different. They've got really nice kind of prints. So we've got the Rattle Pullover, and it's got this timber Element artwork on the front, along with some Element script text down at the bottom, and a custom Element timber tag on the pocket, which is a really nice touch. And again, it's that really nice kind of thickness, and a really soft hood with a drawstring and pouch pocket, everything you've kind of come to expect. Yeah, definitely does the timber collabs justice, and we really like this year, and obviously it's available on the website right now. And then we already showed this off in our Element Keith Haring video, but I'm just going to show it up again because I just think it's such a nice piece. This is the Keith Haring coach jacket, which is from the outside just really nice and really clean black waterproof layer, just with this little Keith Haring graphic on one chest and then a classic Element tree logo on the other. And it's got these kind of rubberized Element pop snaps on the front, which I think are really nice, nice quality. And then what makes this piece is the inside lining with this all over Keith Haring, those kind of little figures he draws print, which just makes this such a nice layer. It's kind of subtle but loud at the same time, and will definitely make a big difference to a lot of your winter looks in terms of just making them stand out. But also this will be a great piece in the summer when you want a lighter layer as well. So really a nice kind of all-round piece there. And then last but not least for this quick little collection, we've got the Elemental Awareness patched jacket, which is this really nice quality kind of canvas jacket with this really soft lining on the inside. It's not too thick, but it's definitely thick enough to keep you warm without getting overheated. And what really brings it to life is all of these different patches they've got down the sleeve and on the chest. So they've got one for each country that they're running the Elemental Awareness kind of program in, where they're starting up lots of skate schools and lots of cool stuff. So a bit of kind of cool backstory behind this piece. It's also got these kind of pattern drawstrings, which I think are really nice, and again those rubberized button poppers, which just give this a premium feel, and two side pockets, which are again fleece lined, which is super comfy, and then just a little woven tag on the hood to kind of tie it all together. Yeah, so another great piece. These are all available at our website hardcloud.com. Available to order right now with worldwide shipping, so hop over there while you can, and we'll see you in the next one.